Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Passion Tango Tea. So this is a pretty cool drink, low calories, and a venti's only got 45 calories, so it's pretty decent for calories as long as you don't get any extra juice in it. It's got a really good taste to it, and it's a good drink for summer. So summer's here. So I'm going to get right into this. Only 45 or 60 calories or so for the Trento one that I got here. Let's get into it. So yeah, it's got a nice, it tastes like tea. That's one of the most prominent things about this, but it's hibiscus, lemongrass, a few other things. I don't know, it tastes really good. For a while I thought it was passion fruit, like a Passion Tango Tea. Passion fruit made sense to me. Didn't taste exactly like passion fruit, but it was a nice, good taste, and it's honestly pretty good. So this one here, just got it with light ice, but you can do a few different things, like add some lemonade to it, add peach juice. Adding peach juice actually makes it taste really good, but it obviously is going to increase the amount of calories that it has in it. So really just depends on what you're looking for, but this one does taste pretty good. Passion Tango Tea. So Starbucks is known for the coffee drinks, but this one isn't exactly a coffee drink, but still very good. If you ever had the Starbucks refreshers, you know that they can do drinks very well that's fruit flavored instead of being like a coffee based beverage. This one's great with low calorie too. Absolute win. So I'd give the Passion Tango Tea from Starbucks an 8 out of 10. It's got a nice sweet taste to it, but it's not too sweet. Still tasting like tea, and it is real good. So if you like tea, you should definitely try this out. It's a nice low calorie drink from Starbucks. You can get it iced, great for the summer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.